Are you an avid blogger, storyteller, or a creative mind looking to create a website for your blogging career? Or, an entrepreneur, artist, traveler, or photographer in need of your personal blog website? Introducing Diary TNC, the best Webflow blog template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNocde.com. Here, you need to search Diary TNC. Take a look at our Diary TNC template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now let's explore the live preview of Diary TNC. Diary TNC is your complete blogging solution. It is designed to empower you to create a stunning blog that reflects your unique voice and sets your readers' hearts on fire. This Webflow template has all the pages, sections, and features a blog website needs. This template has multiple homepage layouts. Choose from various stylish and customizable homepage designs to perfectly match your personal blogging style. Select the layout that best reflects your personality and sets the tone for your blog. Build your blog quickly and easily with this comprehensive Webflow blog template. Diary TNC boasts a clean and modern aesthetic template design focusing on user experience. An intuitive navigation system makes it easy for visitors to find their desired content. Keep readers engaged with sliders, carousels, and other interactive features. Whether you are a professional blogger, a travel enthusiast with incredible stories, a documenting foodie, or a creative mind, Diary TNC provides the perfect foundation for your online journey. Showcase yourself as a writer and allow visitors to learn more about you. Apart from this, here you will find our About page. Visitors will find all information about you with an impressive format. You can show off your skills in a sleek and elegant way. Here you will find a unique contact page. Our contact page includes a unique contact form with an attached map section. It is very easy to understand and visitors can find and reach you without any hassle. Now let's see how to use Diary TNC. This is our template Diary TNC. Here you can edit or replace each element. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on Replace Image option. Then, you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. Here, I replaced this name from home with our blog. Then, I also changed this name. You can change the name, link type, page connection, and everything with a few clicks. Here, you can see all blogs and blog categories. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change or edit the blog or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collection. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button, or I can attach the link in the description. This is our footer section. You can customize this footer section according to your needs. Here, you can change anything you want. Just select the element and easily replace it. Take a look. Here I changed the email placeholder. After that, you can customize this button. You can change the button name or link. Then, you can easily replace this footer logo. Let's change this footer paragraph. Here, I edit and rewrite this paragraph. Apart from this, you can add or remove new social icons or social links. See here I am changing this title quickly. You can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirement. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow blog template, get Diary TNC. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNocde.com.